Capricorn, yearly horoscope for 2021. With your ambitious, disciplined, and very no-nonsense approach to the way of forging through life, Capricorn, it's a wonder you ever have any fun. You take your obligations and your goals very seriously to the point where you often have no time for your more basic personal needs, such as love and laughter. This year, may be forced by events in your life to turn this pattern around. And yes, that is certainly possible. Life can force you to take yourself less seriously and to focus on personal and emotional development rather than making the almighty dollar or your big ambitious goals the most important things. As you read this, you may be skeptical about this, since it is in your nature to be skeptical about anything that can't be reliably proven. But very early on this year, you should see your perspective shift just a bit, and you will begin to feel a stronger yearning for deeper personal relationships, stronger romantic bonds, an evolution of your spirituality, and so on. You are growing. You are changing. You are starting to recognize that there is more to life than work, work, work. You can also be a bit of a pessimist, but things that happen for you this year may begin to turn that tendency around a bit too. When lots of good things work out, you begin to feel like the universe is on your side, and you begin to believe that good things are meant for you.